Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Well, here we are at Goathland, North Yorkshire train station. You think, what's he doing there? Well, there's a classic car show going just in the car park on the back. So I had a gig last night. It was crazy, really good. So it was a late one, and I did wake up and I thought, there is a classic car show going on in the area. So it's not too far from where I live. It's about a 20-minute drive. I thought, I'll come over. But yeah, there's a steam train just on its way. But before it comes, I'm going to go and have a bacon sandwich to wake myself up. So I'm just about to grab a sandwich and a cup of tea. So this is Goathland.
Milk in your tea?
Yes, please. You can't beat a bacon sandwich on the morning. Well, after the bacon sandwich, guys, I had a gig last night and I kind of need to still sort of wake up. So I think there's going to be plenty of sugar in this to wake me up. After the bacon sandwich, I quickly polished off. Check this out, guys. Little steam engine. Here at Goathland train station. There you go, just stop oil. What do you think of that? Well, guys, if you've never seen a steam engine before, get yourself to Goathland in North Yorkshire and you can actually ride on the thing. Yeah, that kind of remember that engine. That's the 2.3. Tell you, there's the 2.3 was in the didn't the state one. My uncle had one, Vauxhall Victor, and his was a 2.3. There's an old Oxford, Morris Oxford. All the cars are just starting to turn up now. So let's have a good look at this one, the 2.3 Vauxhall engine in this. Here we are with is it a British racing green, is it?
You're very close. Cameron Green.
Cameron Green.
If you put a Cameron Green car next to it, it's totally different. It is actually Triumph Racing Green.
Oh, okay.
Because it was a real nice green, and that's why it got painted. A real nice green. It's Triumph Racing Green.
Then we've got a Triumph Dolomite, like a mustard colour. The British Leyland jar. And then that's really nice. Land Rover Mark 1. Could you get any more basic than that, guys? That's pretty cool, that. If I had a farm, I'd want something like that. And I would use it. So next to this Land Rover, got a lovely Austin Cooper S. It's in remarkably good condition. Busy place to put a distributor. Here's a really nice VW Beetle. It's 1300. I can see what he does on a weekend. Leather loving now, very nice and clean. It's a minty. You can see the engine number there. This TV out, guys. Blackpool's finest. 2.8. Nice Beamer. I quite like these. Beamer M3. TR4. '68 F plate. Could be 67, 68. Vauxhall Viva. It's an SL. 874. XJS convertible V12. See, I've had about 6 of these cars in the past, but not the convertible. Glutton for punishment. But if you find the right one. Well, guys, I think it's time to head off home now. There hasn't been that many cars here. I think because the weather's pretty miserable. People don't like taking the classic cars out in the rain. Get them used. Because guess what, guys? Especially the older guys, you can't take it with you. So on that note, seat above it all.